Okay, si Pukoy lang. Sinong best in costume?
Guns up.
Best in costume! Sino yan? Okay! Diyos ko, bongga. Ito po nito ko na ibukong. Our best in costume group number! Best in costume group number 1!
Mereka sa Panahon Festival, punya Snow na
Group number 1! Boyong! Get your right kanay! Get your right kanay! Picture, picture, anay! Okay, thank you so much, group number 1 for the best and unique man din sila kadto ka panalong kita nila yung costume. Di ba na? Oo, panalong niya. Okay, congratulations. Next award for the best in street dancing. Ang street dancing is 30% ni Kwaon. Oh, street dancing anaya. Okay, for the best in street dancing goes to performer group number to be awarded by for the best in street dancing. Honorable, wala mga kagawa, Maria Socorro Animay. So, kamo lang gapon ang aduwa na ya. Si President, puro President Agent Ponce and Faith Laila na ya. Kay mga kagawa, busy, mga may piyesta, di ba la? Okay, puro President, best and street dancing performer group number 1! With the average score sa 30%, ang nakuha nila 28.2%. Okay, group number! You are the best street dancing performer group number 3. Okay, another award for the best in choreography. Choreography to be awarded by Marvin, Kagawad Marvin. May duwa man ang kapatid pati mga official na ako, hindi ko alam kung ako sa pangalan. Best in choreography.
Jack. Celes Jack.
Okay na? Okay, best in choreography performer group number! Ang choreography sa trainor, ganyan matupaya. Okay, sa trainor, ganyan Supriya. Ha? Ang best in choreography, doon sino makakuha inyo, kina mga palangga ang Supri. Okay, best in choreography performer group number! Group number 3. Okay, for the major award for the third, second place, first place, and champion. Okay, next award for the best in discipline. Disiplinado yung mga kabataan. Wala kapahugtas. Kapahugtas ka mo sa trainer niyo, wala. Okay, ako Newman for to be awarded by SE Chairman Faith ng Japan Best and Discipline Performer Group Number Group Number 2. Okay, for the second place, to be awarded by our judge, Sir Roman Tumumbanwa, ma-award ang second place. Second place, get 2 tabla na siya, 1,500 pesos. 1,000 pesos only. Sabi ko 1 million. Okay. For the second place, performer group number group number 1. The champion, to be awarded by Sir Rolly Alfaro and Faith Laila. Unahon ko ang champion na parati gamay-gamay lang gid bala ang ginglabawan daw mga pinaka-percent gani. Oh, Diyos ko, ginoo ko, ang nag-champion is 94.4. Ang second, 91.8. Gamay lang gid mga 3 points lang gid. So, naon ko ang champion ha. So, ang mabilin, ang first runner-up, ang ma-award. Sa first runner-up natin si Father Charlie. Ang sa champion, si Sir Rolly. Okay, panalong fest